Hi everyone, Liam here from Senior Fitness Wales. I'm back again with another video for you all today. So we're following on from the last video on breathing, and today's is all about posture. So both very important aspects of working out, and it's going to help you, work out safely and effectively. So we'll get right into it. First things first, feet positioning. I haven't got any, I'm barefoot at the moment. If you want to go barefoot, that's fine because you've got a good grip. But also, if you want to use it, put some trainers on, that's fair enough as well. That's no problem. Whatever your preference is there. So feet on the floor, about hip to shoulder distance apart. Slight bend of the knees. We don't want to lock the knees out because that can be dangerous for certain exercises. So slight bend of the knees, back and your body nice and straight. Shoulders back and down, and then your head up and pointing forward. It's good to fix on a certain point. I feel that really helps. So if you like to do that and look at maybe a picture or something in front of you, that could help you. So now what's good, you've already learnt about the breathing, so we can do this exercise and focus on just perfecting that posture and getting ready to perfect our technique and move on to the exercises. Right, okay, now that you're nice and straight, elbows tucked in, and then you're just coming up nice and slow under control, and back down. So breathe in, breathing out, and then breathing in. All while you maintain a nice straight body and your posture's great. It's very important to remain straight when you're doing this, because the last thing you want to do is just swing all over the place. As you can see there, straight away, my board rubber falls on the floor, so it's not a great idea to be swinging around. Nice straight body, nice straight body, so under control. Making sure your breathing's correct and it's consistent. Feet are firmly on the floor, knees are slightly bent, back is straight, shoulders are back and down and looking forward. I'll turn around as well so you can see from the side angle. And that is posture, guys. So I hope that helped you. And next week now we're going to be doing some exciting exercises, and then you can apply what you've learned in these last two videos to the exercises. So if you like the video, please feel free to drop a like down below, it really helps me. Subscribe to the channel to see the variety of content we'll be releasing, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.